am Sai Chaitanya Chunduri and my student ID is 1947319. In this video, I would like to give a poster presentation on my dissertation program, which is effectiveness of green marketing strategy in the automotive industry in the UK. First and foremost, I want to go through the abstract on which my entire research is based on. My current research was carried to evaluate the effectiveness of the green marketing strategies adopted by some top automotive companies in the UK such as Toyota, Volkswagen, Ford, Hyundai and Honda, etc. My research data is procured using the secondary data collection method, which was analyzed by the qualitative research method and descriptive data analysis method. It is shown that UK automotive companies using green marketing strategies such as hybrid and electric vehicles within 10 years warranty that are sold to authorized dealers, and some of them are promoted on the TV commercials. It helped to increase their sales and build up their brand image in the market. It also further facilitated in the increasing of their competitive advantage in the market. It is also recommended that UK automotive companies must avoid some greenwashing claims and implement effective green marketing strategies to improve their competitive advantage. They must also look to fill the market gap from between one another. Secondly, I want to go through the introduction part on which my research is based on. It is obvious that there is a rising environmental awareness among the customers, which leads to the pressure from stakeholders, and the organizations are looking to build their competitive advantage, which has led to increase in adoption of the green marketing strategies by the automotive companies. External forces such as increase in market competition levels and pressing government regulations have also contributed to several automotive companies to embrace green marketing strategies in various business operations for their organization to some extent. So it is clear that there are several drivers causing green marketing strategies to be followed by the automotive companies globally. This research was primarily conducted to determine the effectiveness of green marketing strategies adopted in the automotive industry, especially in the UK territory. Entire research, and basically I have too many objectives for my research, but I have arrived at the 4 of the most important ones, and they are: the first one, to identify the benefits and limitations of green marketing strategies for organizations in the automotive industry, and the second one is to determine the best practices of green marketing strategies that are adopted by the automotive industry, and the third one is to evaluate the effectiveness of green marketing strategies implemented by some of the leading car manufacturers in the UK. And the most important and the last one is to analyze the impact of the green marketing strategies on the competitive advantage held by the organizations in the UK automotive industry. And next, I want to go through the literature, which is the core for my research. Generally, automotive companies are using the green marketing strategies to encourage the customers to purchase green vehicles in order to generate higher sales and develop a good brand image, etc. But it was also noted that many automotive companies are moving away from fossil fuel powered vehicles such as petrol and diesel, and they are switching to the electric and hybrid vehicles instead. The automotive companies are increasingly using the green marketing strategies to augment their respective competitive advantage on the basis of their original goals in order to increase the business competitiveness. Hence, the green marketing strategies have been implemented by the automotive companies to improve their competitive advantage by offering some green vehicles to the customers to improve their sales and brand reputation in the market. And there are some materials and methods which I carried my research on. The research was basically performed through the phenomenology research philosophy and the inductive research approach. As I mentioned earlier, my research is entirely based on secondary collection data method. I don't use any primary data, and my secondary data collection method was used to collect research data from annual corporate reports and newspaper articles, journals, and some books on the 5 leading automakers in the UK, namely Volkswagen, Ford, Honda, Toyota, and Hyundai. The secondary data of this research was analyzed through the qualitative research method and the descriptive data analysis method to produce my research details. And I have obtained some results from my data which is obtained from the secondary data collection method. The automotive companies in the UK were employing green marketing strategies mostly to build their brand reputation. For example, increasing sales and appeal to environment conscious customers, etc. However, greenwashing claims had a negative effect on the automotive organization. On analyzing these green marketing strategies with regards to products, prices, promotions, and distribution, in most of the UK automotive companies were offering a wide range of hybrid and electric vehicles for their customers with a warranty of up to 5 to 8 years and for 100,000 miles on an average. Most of them were promoted through the TV commercials and distributed through authorized dealers. And further, these green marketing strategies were found to be used by Ford, especially to build its focused competitive advantage, and by the Volkswagen, especially to build its cost leadership competitive advantage, and by Toyota and Hyundai use these green marketing strategies for its differentiation competitive advantage. However, Honda gained only limited competitive advantage through all these green marketing strategies. However, there are 4 major ways for these automotive companies to promote their green marketing strategies. The first one of them is through the TV commercials, and the next one is through giving their customers electric and hybrid vehicles for some warranty, and the third one is authorized dealers, and the fourth one is 10 years service warranty. Based upon my entire research, I have certain recommendations to make to these top automotive companies in the UK. They are, the first one is to avoid greenwashing, and the second one is to implement more effective green marketing strategies to enhance its competitive advantage, and the third one is to fill the market gap between one another. From my entire research, I have arrived at a conclusion that these automotive companies in the UK are using these green marketing strategies to build up their competitive advantage which regards to cost leadership, differentiation and focus through a variety of electric and hybrid vehicles in order to increase their sales and build up their brand reputation. Thank you.